So QuantumScape reported their earnings. Their Q1 losses widen. They also missed the EPS estimates. However, the stock was only slightly down, roughly 30 cents on the day. Now, to put things into perspective, we have to zoom out. There's no point looking at the monthly chart because it's just completely very, very, very ugly. So let's zoom into the weekly chart. Now, the buyers have been defending this $5 region since May of last year, when price formed a weekly buyer's low at $5.50. And that was formed from this drop in price, several basing candles, and then the rally out. And so when price came back the first time, dipped its toes in the upper portion of the zone, and then shot higher. On the next round, price penetrated the zone pretty much to the other side. So it penetrated the zone 100%. And what's important to note there is that as it went deeper into the zone and to the other side of the zone, it filled any remaining unfilled orders. However, there was an imbalance between buyers and sellers, so price shot up once again. And now price finds itself back in the zone once again. However, this time, this zone is in jeopardy of getting breached, with a candle potentially closing below the lower portion. Now, before we look at the daily chart, let's actually look at the news that took place today. So QuantumScape Corporation is a leader in development of solid-state lithium-metal batteries for EVs, reported a wider loss per share in the first quarter than analysts had expected. Despite the reported loss, QuantumScape maintained its full year 2024 guidance for capital expenditures. Now, the capital expenditure amounted in the first quarter to about $14 million, primarily supporting low volume prototype production in preparation for higher volume production next year. QuantumScape's president and CEO had this to say, where he emphasized the company's progress towards its key goals for this year, including the shipment of Alpha 2 prototype battery cells and advancements in their Raptor fast separated production process. Now, investors are digesting the earnings report. Again, the stock was fairly muted, which indicates a market reaction to the missed EPS estimates and the challenges ahead in the company's journey from prototype to product. Potentially the stock was muted as well because, again, price is sitting in this weekly buy level where the buyers are still defending off the sellers. Now let's zoom down to the daily chart. And several weeks back I did a video saying that we needed to see candle closes above this key level of interest at $6.20 if price was going to attempt to go higher. That didn't happen, and so what we had was a break of this short-term trend line and then the eventual aftermath to continue downwards. So looking at the current price and looking to the left, I don't really see any significant volume, and so I anticipate this price just slowly creeping down until the potential next catalyst, but that could be later this year or 2025. At this time, QuantumScape is not a buy. We need to be convinced that price wants to go higher. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.